has literally been raining non-stop since we got back from Noosa, and it is officially summer here. So sometimes you don't even realize that you need a few days to yourself and you need to just relax until it's pretty much forced upon you. Before our Noosa trip, I literally can't remember the last time that I just took a couple of days to read a book and relax and just not be stressed for a minute. But I've honestly come back feeling so rejuvenated and rested and just ready to finish off this year. Anyways, here is the little Noosa recap. So we flew there on a Friday, we stayed till Tuesday, so we had quite a few days there just to relax. We were actually supposed to be with Maddie and Luke, but unfortunately they couldn't make it in the end. But we still stayed at Maddie's parents' house. It was so nice just wearing summer outfits again. I have so many pieces in my wardrobe that I've been dying to wear, and I finally just had the opportunity to wear them. My favorite part about the trip was definitely this pool. We just spent so much time relaxing, enjoying the sunshine. I read a book, which is something that I honestly have not done for a while, and just enjoyed taking it easy. I absolutely love the tropical weather. We spent so much time at the beach. We went for like beach walks in the evening and during the day, and it was honestly just all the things. We obviously ate lots of ice cream because what else do you do in hot tropical weather? And we also pretty much just had date night every single night, which was amazing. The trip was honestly incredible. It was exactly what we both needed, and I cannot wait to escape to the beach again soon. So just a restock of some of my favorite supermarket items. This is my favorite little snack. I just put some peanut butter on it and it's delicious. 2 packets of dried figs because my favorite, and they're always out of stock recently. Brazil nuts, heard these were good for you, so I decided that I might start eating them. I'd run out of black rice, so just a restock on that. 2 avocados. I had a bit of a craving for lychee and they do not sell fresh lychee. Thought this drink might satisfy my craving. Some fresh chili oil because we were out. Sourdough rolls just for next lunch. Coconut yogurt, I went with the vanilla flavor. Cucumber, some broccolini for dinner tonight, some fresh blackberries and strawberries, and then just some baby spinach and cos heart lettuce. It is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I had a really early lunch today, so I'm gonna make myself a little afternoon snack. I've just put the toaster in. I love how it looks with the white kettle. I feel like this area is so much cuter now. I also added this little plant, which I think just like adds a bit of life into this little area. I have been away so much recently and honestly, I'm just really tired of eating out. So every time I eat at home, I just crave easy to make, healthy, fresh meals. So that is just pretty much what I am going to make for dinner. am so sad about this egg. This feels like a really good avocado. Literally perfect. In case you're wondering about my setup for filming style videos, I typically have 2 tripods out with 2 different cameras, or one might have my iPhone on it if I want to film some footage for Reels and TikToks. I sort of do something different every time, but recently I've just been moving this chair into this corner, putting the little side table there, and I try on all the outfits and get changed and everything literally just in this nook, which is like just out of frame for the video. The cleanup after is definitely my least favorite part about filming a style video, but it is totally worth it because I do really enjoy making these videos. It is so nice to sit down after filming for the last 2.5 hours. I think I tried on like 10 outfits, maybe more. So I'm kind of tired now. As much as I would like to just literally sit here for the rest of the day, because it's like 5 o'clock now. I need to pack everything up, get changed, wash my makeup off, go and pick up Kat, go to the gym, go and work out, go to the supermarket, buy ingredients for dinner, come home, cook dinner, edit this video, and then I can relax. So let's go. Really nice dinner tonight, so I thought I'd show you guys what I'm wearing because I love this outfit. Shoes are just my Dear Francis boots. This skirt is from Marley and I've actually been wearing it a lot recently. It's just really comfortable, really easy to wear. You can adjust how it fits on the side here, so you can wear it on your waist or also your hips. This little boob tube top is from St. Agni, and you can't really see in this lighting, but it's kind of got like a sparkly material to it. It's really lovely. Jewellery, as always, is from MEJURI. Blazer is from Acne Studios, and my bag is from Prada. Attempted to organize my bags as best as possible, but I would love to hear if you guys can think of a better way that I can do this. But pretty much I've got my tall bags and just like really big tote style bags here, but I've had to fold them. Not ideal, but that's where we're at. All my brown bags and basket style bags are on this shelf. Here I've got all my black bags, although I can already see how I would find it really hard to reach the bags at the back, and they're actually the ones that I wear the most, so Probably not the most ideal setup here. Down here I've got my white bags and also my colorful bags at the back. And on the bottom shelf I have some tote bags and also some smaller bags right at the back there. So this is the current setup. I would love to hear if you guys have any feedback of how I could make this just a little bit more organized and a little bit easier to maneuver, because I just do feel like it's gonna be hard to reach the ones at the back, but I don't really know what to do. These cupboards are really deep, but they're also really narrow, so I just feel like I don't have a lot of room to work with, but let me know what you guys think.